Hey everyone, today we talk about Bitcoin crash is over at MA50 week, same as like JULY21. You can see in this chart, you draw this yellow color is the moving average week 50. And in July previously, we have the big crash starting May and until July. Look, every time it hit this yellow color, it bounce. In here we bounce, we do second retest, and after this we bounce 100% Bitcoin increasing. And after that in September we retest again at EMA 50 and then we fly again. And now we retest it again and it's a flash crash, just a flash crash. And now we are close above this yellow color. Yeah, we still have around 12 hours to go, but I'm pretty sure that we gonna hold this yellow line. And why this yellow line is needed? Because if we just do a 1 2 3 and retest, it's what we needed to go to over 100k USD for the Bitcoin. And then why I draw this line? Maybe some of you didn't know that. This is the logarithm regression for the Bitcoin. It's the history about 10 years Bitcoin. You can see that we need to hit this peak, second peak, and this gonna be the third peak. Now the third peak is around 170,000 USD. Maybe it can hit by April. If you're curious why we should hit this one, because the Bitcoin have the cycle 1 in here, cycle 2 in here, and the cycle 3 in here. It starts from the Bitcoin halving. You can search in Google what is the Bitcoin halving. But what I want to say is that every Bitcoin halving, the main target and the goal target is always hit the upper this band. And then that's why I'm very bullish that we're gonna hit this one. Okay, that's for the overall. And then why I'm saying that even if there's a crash, but it's not over because it's just hit this yellow line. We ever did this yellow line in June. However, it can hold the support and fly. September again hold the support and fly. And what do you think that we can crash below this yellow line? No, it's not. We still can hold the support in December and we just can fly again. In the next video, I think tomorrow I will create about the secret analysis about the Bitcoin cycle. So you stay tuned for the tomorrow I will give you, and that's the very confident. I'm very confident that that's good analysis for the Bitcoin. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Okay, next jump. It's not just about the Bitcoin. If you see the Ethereum, let's open the Ethereum. Okay, look, for the Ethereum, it's just hit 20 MA. So we're using moving average 20 week. Look in here. Ethereum just do a flash crash, hit this support and just does fly again. And in my last video about the Ethereum, look, it's generally bullish starting 2020, just fly. And we do 1, 2, and 3 retests. That's why the next target for the Ethereum in the January can possible goes to 15,000 US dollar. Yes, it's possible. 15,000 US dollar in here. It's very possible because what? We are still a mega bullish uptrend for the Ethereum. That's why if the Bitcoin can hold the support, so do Ethereum. Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. Let's move to the Ethereum Bitcoin. Look, we just broke this support, this resistance. I mean, in my last video, I think last week video when we talk about Ethereum, I said that we're gonna break this zone. And you can see this week, even if the price is crash everywhere, look Ethereum. Ethereum just goes to the all-time high ever compared to the Bitcoin. So it's a very strong, and previously it's a very strong resistance, and then we just break up, and this is gonna be the strong support. If you're curious about the other coin like Matic, okay, in my last video I said that the Matic, wait, let's remove it. Okay, I said the Matic still on the very bullish. You can see even if this crash this week, we have closed above the last week price, and then we can get 23% US dollar. If we move to the 1 day, you can see here, look, it's just a flash crash as we can pump again, and we are still on the bullish for the to the moon like that. And I will give you the idea. This is the video about the Benjamin Cohen and the Dev today. So they do some collaboration, and the main point of why I'm show Benjamin Cohen in the tech dev, because you can see in here, look, this is the Bitcoin market cycle. Every time it's hit this white, middle white, and then we jump to some retest, and this circle, yellow circle, is just pump. Here is the Fibonacci retracement, 1.2, 1.6, and 2.2. It's the Fibonacci retracement in 2013, and then 2017. We do again in this yellow, and we have the Fibonacci again, and back to 2.2 in the green color. That's why if the story is an indication, we're gonna repeat ourselves and goes up to here. It's about, yeah, almost 200k Bitcoin. It's possible. Why? Because you look, this is a 10-year cycle market. That's why don't just sell because you want to enter and your portfolio minus 10%, 20%. I think it's okay because we are the long-term player. Don't play future because many people get liquidated. Many people. That's why play safe and just buy the dip and just let the time decide the price. Okay, this is the very common analysis here. Many YouTubers said about this one. That's why I think we just stick to this line because same like my analysis, I'm using the Bitcoin algorithm. You can say that for the Bitcoin, you can see this is the Bitcoin ETF. Look, even Bitcoin ETF, they just hit the support same like September and then just pump again. For the Bitcoin ETF in here, I'm using Binance, but it's okay if you using other, if you're using other chart. Our main idea is even if the crash, but look, this is just a flash crash. We have the wick in here and just pump again. I think next week, it's gonna pump. Everything gonna pump. We just need to see the desperate moment where every retail sells, and we can see that the wave is by the dip. Look, the person who just buy the dip make this very long wick. You can see this is very long wick for the ETF market. If you're curious, from the bottom, ETF already increased 60%. Is in ETF. That's why whales didn't just play in the regular market. They play in the future market, they play in the ETF market because it's more profitable for them. They are the market maker. That's why if they are the market maker, they just play in the future and play in the ETF. It's a common sense. That's why we need to focus for in the next 12 weeks, just focus in the 50 moving average weekly. Maybe let's move to weekly. Look, we need to close around this level, same like in July. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.